YouTube, what is up? My name is Demonte Sims and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing my very first product unboxing. Now this video is well overdue, but due to my life and me just being lazy and making excuses, it didn't get done. But today we're going to get it done. And also I have a very bad tendency of buying products and just opening it. And I always have the intention of doing a product unboxing, but never do due to me being too thirsty to open up the package. Without further ado, let's do some unboxing. The package came in this box right here. It's not nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. It's just a regular cardboard box. Actually super flimsy, but let's open it. So inside it comes bubble wrapped, which is good. So I'm going to take this off, and then it's wrapped again in some nylon plastic. This is the sign right here. So let me try to get it in focus. So this is the sign right here. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a little bit smaller, but it's actually, yeah, it's pretty big. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna light it up. And with this light, the brightness on it is adjustable. You can plug it into the wall if you have a adapter. So let's plug it up and see how it looks lit. Alright, so I'm gonna just plug this into my Mac Mini since that's powered on right now. Let's take that off. Let's I'm gonna put it right here and let's turn it on. Okay, that's really bright. So as I'm holding it, you see the brightness goes down. This is actually really cool. I like this light a lot. I think it's gonna give my background a lot of pop and make it stand out a lot more. So as I hold it more, it turns back up, which is too bright. And then as I hold it, it's gonna turn back down. So I'll probably keep it about like right here, because it'll be my background. So in my background, right, I'm gonna put it right above my picture right here. And this picture, you can't really see it because it's out of focus. But this picture right here is the iPhone basically disassembly. And I'm gonna put the light basically above up there. And it's gonna be like that. Like similar to looking something like that. So I think that's gonna look super cool. But yeah, man, this light was 30 bucks, and I think it's worth it. You know, I think it's worth it. The cord is also very long. That's also a plus. But let me know what you guys think about this. I will have a link to this in the description if you guys want to purchase it. Like I said, there's tons of different ones. I think I'm gonna add a couple more. There was a couple more that I've seen that I liked, so I think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, YouTube, that's gonna sum up the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope I gave you some insight on this neon light sign. But until next time, you guys have a blessed day. Go cop this light, man.